Hi there, Gabe Gehring from Midway Motors. Oh man, I tell you what, that is hard to read. Hi there, Gabe Gehring from Midway Motors inviting you to cruise into Midway for an amazing deal on your next ride. Get entered to win your very own Alaskan Cruise. Wait, they do cruises in Alaska? Oh, so you're gonna put some cruise footage behind me on the screen? Will you also add snow and icebergs and stuff? This summer, cruise into Midway Motors for an amazing price on your next ride. And get entered to win some incredible prizes like your very own Alaskan Cruise. So, like, other people know about Alaskan cruises? How do you pack for an Alaskan cruise anyway? Like a parka and a swimsuit? Do they make a parka swimsuit? There's only one way to win and only one place to find these deals. Any of our 5 Midway Motors locations across central Kansas. Sorry, I can't get the image of people in swim parkas out of my head. Learn more and shop us at midwaymotors.com. Midway Motors, for every mile of life. Can you green screen me into Titanic?